Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. China's yuan tumbles after PBOC red cut. Fed fears hit Asia FX by Amber Warrix. Investing.com, China's yuan sank further below key levels on Monday after more monetary easing in the country, while border Asian currency tumbled in anticipation of a Federal Reserve meeting later this week. The yuan fell 0.4% to an over 2-year low of 7,080 to the dollar, its second day span in breach of the psychological important 7 level. The drop came despite an extremely hawkish midpoint which fixed by the central bank. The People's Bank of China cut a repo rate on Monday and also increased cash injection into the economy as it sought to boost growth that was severely dented by COVID-related lockdowns. The central bank is now struggling to strike a balance between supporting economic growth and stemming further loss in the yuan. A series of strong midpoint fixed by the bank suggests that is unwilling to let the currency drop any further. China's prospects might improve in the near term after the lifting of a 2-week COVID lockdown in the megacity Chengdu. Still, the economy has a long road to reach pre-COVID heights. Border Asian currencies sank on Monday while the dollar index and future rose around 0.1% each. The South Korean won fell 0.4%, while the Malaysian ringgit was the worst performer in Southeast Asia with a 0.3% decline. The Japanese yen fell 0.2%, although a market holiday in the country kept trading volume slim. The Fed is widely expected to raise interest rates by 75 basis point (BPS) on Wednesday. Traders are also pricing in the possibility of a 100 BPS hike after harder than expected US inflation data last week. High inflation means 100 BP is a risk, but inflation expectation and crop price plans look less threatening and the growth outlook is more uncertain, so we don't see it. Still, a more hawkish message surrounding sticky inflation will see the Fed does closer reflect the market pricing of a 4.25 until 4.5% terminal rate (ENG), analysts wrote in a note. In the Asia Pacific, in the Asia Pacific region, the New Zealand dollar sank 0.5% to an over 2-year low. Reserve Bank Governor Adrian Orr said the bank plans to include climate change risk in how it's managed monetary policy. Dollar strength, yuan breaks tough key threshold on recession fears. The US dollar strengthened in early European trade Friday, while the Chinese yuan broke tough a crucial threshold as concerns of rising interest rates and potential recession dented risk appetite. Both the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund warned late Thursday of an impending global economic slowdown, with Intermediate Gill, the World Bank chief economist, saying he was concerned about generalized stagflation, a period of low growth and high inflation. Fears of a global recession are growing with many central banks aggressively tightening monetary policy to combat inflation at historic levels. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.